Alright, so today papanoorin natin yung dance practice ng pinakamalupit na girl group sa buong mundo ngayon. Which is, dumadaan yung motor, nag-i-intro ako eh. Ha? Di naman daanan ng motor yan dyan kasi ano yan eh, lupa, masikip dyan. Yun nga, Sonara. My intro is destroyed, man. Okay, we're gonna watch Sonara Tabi official dance practice. Dance practice? Oh, I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, so ito na yung dance practice. Oh, ang ganda ng itsura, oh. Then we got the logo of Sonara here, the Sonara name. Tapos yung parang trademark na parang yung character, na parang cartoon character sa baba. Damn, alright. Ito na, dance practice of Sonara, man. If you're a Sonara fan, subscribe to the channel because we're gonna tackle everything about them, man. They're awesome and I love them. Let's go. Okay, napakahina ng sound, so let's make it louder. Ba't ang layo nyo? Anong problema? Let's go, like muna natin. Mahina pa rin. Wait lang. Lakasan pa natin para masarap. Okay, tuloy. Damn! What the heck? The synchronization, the choreography, at yung pitik pare. Oh my god! They're freaking good! My only concern is that, napat ang layo nyo. Gusto ko dito naman kayo. Okay lang to si Sonara Cutie Toy. Ang layo nyo naman. But they're freaking pretty good. God dang. Tuloy. Oh! Damn! Oh my God, man! Oh, I really love that. Yung ano, yung parang logo shot, man. Let's go! Ito yung mga favorite formations ko. Kahit sa SB19 and Sonara now. Gusto ko yung mga ito, yung mga tight choreography, man. Let's go! Bruh! But, this one is stealing the show, man. Let's go! Aww. Okay, come on. may sidekick pa. That it? Damn, man. Bitin. Bitin. Oh my god. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, man. Let's go. So that was Sonara for you, man. Very, very amazing girl group, and this is just a debut song. Can you just remember that? Can you just comprehend that shit? This is a debut song. So ganito na sila kagaling. So, man, tune in with Sonara, subscribe to the channel, and subscribe to the channel. This is a freaking, I'm pretty excited. Excited na ako sa next song nila. By the way, yung next song nila, alam yung title? Panoorin niyo yung video ni Casual Chuck para malaman yung sunod na kanta nila. Damn, so thank you so much for watching. That was Tabi Dance Practice by Sonara, the greatest girl group today. Damn.